Let's see, step by step, how to unfold the Mooevo cover box. Deploy the cart and make sure the parking brakes are engaged. Release the latch on the base of the box. Then, release the strap on the top of the box. Now, lift the top lid from the front side, like this. And move the rear panel toward the handlebar. Attach the rear panel to the handlebar by clipping the strap into the side release buckle. No adjustment is needed. Now we can lift the side and front panels and set them upright. Make sure all panels are fully unfolded and in a vertical position, fitting neatly into the edge of the top lid. Once the rear corner is in place, secure the top lid by fitting the metal flap into position. This is the correct way to secure the metal flap. First, fit the rear corner into place, then hook the metal flap. We unfold the doors and move them to the outside of the cover box. And we secure them there using the metal snap fastener. Remember, always lift the snap button tops to lock or release them. Now we can unfold the back panel of the box. Push it completely to the back until it's fully extended, like this. Make sure all panels are fully unfolded so everything fits into place. To secure the box lid, fasten the 3 snap buttons located in these positions. Always remember to lift the top part of the buttons to either release or lock them. If the box is correctly unfolded, this step will be easy. Don't forget the 3rd snap button at the back of the box. To unfold the last panel correctly, make sure it is properly fitted into place. The lid's metal part must rest on top of the panel's metal part. If aligned correctly, the lock and the metal pins must fit into their corresponding holes. Secure the 3 safety pins by turning them, one beside the lock, one at the top, and one at the bottom. Clip the strap into its buckle to prevent it from hanging loose. The box cover is now fully unfolded, and we can close the doors. To release the doors, unlock the snap button by lifting the mechanism upward. To close the door, always secure first the sliding latch at the base of the box. And then fasten the latch button at the top by lifting the upper part of the mechanism. To close the main door, release it from the magnetic holder and move it into position. For proper locking, make sure to align the visual mark. The lock will engage and stay closed. Make sure the doors are properly closed and secured. Fasten this strap so it doesn't hang loose. And we're now ready to start loading the cover box. To load the bags, first open the doors. Use the key to unlock it. It is recommended that you never leave the keys in the lock. Secure the doors open to their magnetic holders. Free the door by releasing both the top latch button and the sliding bolt at the base. Fold the doors and fix them in place. Lift the top of the snap button to lock the mechanism. Whenever we open the box, we must secure the doors in their position and not leave them hanging. We can now load the delivery bags in the desired order to allow easy access later. Up to 6 Amazon delivery bags can be loaded inside. The box is flexible to allow easy loading of delivery bags that may be slightly bulging. Once the bags are in the desired order, release the doors and close the cover box. Always remember to lift the upper part of the latch button mechanism to release or secure it. To lock the first door in place, always close the sliding bolt at the base first. This way, you can create the necessary spacing in case the bags take up too much space. Next, secure the latch button at the top. Release the main door from its magnetic holder to close it. For the lock to fit into place, simply align the visual guide and press inward. Now you can make sure the doors are locked properly. To open the cover box and access the bags, simply use the key to unlock it. Secure the first door to its magnetic holder. You can now comfortably access the first row of bags for delivery operations. To access the remaining bags, first release the upper snap button. You can move the door aside like this to release the bottom latch easily, even if the bags are overfilled. Secure the doors in their open position using the snap button latch, and you'll have clear access to all the contents of the cover box. You can now remove or rearrange the sorting bags as needed. In our case, we're going to remove all the bags to proceed with folding the cover box for when we need to store or transport it. Let's now go through the step-by-step process to fold the Mooevo cover box. The first step is to release the straps from the base of the cover box. First, this one. Then, release the strap with the side release buckle located here. The next step is to unlock and open the door using the key. Do not leave the key in the lock while folding. Use the magnets to hold the main door open in this position. Release the door by releasing both the top latch button and the sliding bolt at the base. Now we can fold the connected doors and fix them in place. Make sure to lift the top of the snap button to engage it. Proceed to remove the 3 snap buttons that secure the top lid. To release them, you need to lift the top of the mechanism. Release these 3 fasteners by turning them like this to separate the inner panel. To fold the rear panels of the cover box, do it this way. Pull this hinge area toward you and fold the panels completely against this wall. Once this panel is released, we'll undo the fastening of the top lid. Release the doors from their position by lifting the snap button and fold them inward into the cover box. Press them toward the inner side of the wall. Hold the panels together with one hand and release the top lid with the other hand, like this. Carefully lower the panels toward the base of the box and place them in their folded position. You'll see the correct position by fitting this piece into its slot. This will keep it centered. To fold the handlebar panel, first release the side release buckle to detach the strap that holds the panel to the handlebar. Fold the panel inward and lower it together with the top lid as shown here. Make sure the front part of the top lid is placed in its position, closing the assembly. It should be like this. The final step is to secure the folded box using the 2 straps. First, attach this one, and then this one at the bottom part. Once the box is secured in its folded position, it can be lifted for storage or transport.